Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that allows peer-to-peer transactions without a central authority. Let's break that down. Imagine a glowing digital coin. This is Bitcoin, or BTC for short. But unlike the coins in your wallet, Bitcoin only exists online. No banks, no borders, just pure digital value. Now picture a web of computers, each one called a node. These nodes talk to each other, sharing Bitcoin data back and forth. This is what peer-to-peer means. People sending value directly to each other, no middleman needed. But how do these transfers stay safe? That's where the blockchain comes in. Think of the blockchain as a digital ledger, made up of blocks. Each block holds a list of recent transactions, and once a block is full, it locks in place and connects to the previous one, like links in a digital chain. This makes the record almost impossible to change. Still, if there's no bank, who checks if everyone's playing fair? Enter the miners. These are super-powered computers racing to solve complex puzzles. When a miner cracks the code, they get to add the next block to the blockchain and earn some fresh Bitcoin as a reward. It's like a global game that keeps the network honest and secure. Let's recap. Bitcoin is decentralized, no single person or government controls it. It runs on a transparent blockchain where everyone can see what's happening. It's peer-to-peer, so you can send value to anyone, anywhere, anytime. And thanks to mining, it stays secure and trustworthy. No banks, no borders, just digital money for a digital world. If you want to learn more about how technology is shaping our future, hit subscribe to Digital Jack of All Trades for more tech explained simply.